Cryptocurrency is digital money, intangible, complex, and worth billions. All that value flows into crypto exchanges, the digital vaults where you buy, sell, and store your coins. These exchanges are prime targets for hackers, because they're holding mountains of digital gold. You wouldn't leave real gold in your garden shed, you'd lock it in a vault. Crypto exchanges are supposed to be that vault for your digital assets, but securing digital money is much harder than locking up gold bars. Hackers are relentless, always searching for a weak spot. A simple password won't protect a fortune. Security needs to be extreme. Think Pentagon level, but for your Bitcoin. When an exchange gets hacked, it's not their money that disappears, it's yours. The only thing standing between you and a zero-balance wallet is the exchange's security. So how do good exchanges keep your assets safe? It all starts with a special little box. Let's open it up. Meet the Hardware Security Module, or HSM, the superhero of digital security. It's a physical device built solely to protect the most sensitive digital keys in the world. Think of it as a tiny, paranoid computer that guards secrets with its life. If someone tries to break into it, it can self-destruct its data, like a spy swallowing a cyanide pill, but for cryptographic keys. The HSM generates, stores, and uses private keys, but never lets them leave its secure walls. When a transaction needs to be signed, the HSM does it internally, and only sends out the signature. The key itself is never exposed, not even for a second. Unlike regular servers, HSMs don't run apps, browse the web, or check email. They just guard keys, 24/7. They're built to be tamper-proof, isolated, and laser-focused on security. In a world full of digital threats, the HSM is the ultimate specialist. That's why exchanges rely on them. But how does this work in practice? Crypto exchanges use HSMs to manage cold storage, keeping most funds offline, away from hackers. Cold storage is like a savings vault, while a small hot wallet stays online for daily transactions. The private keys for cold storage are generated and locked inside HSMs, which are kept in secure vaults with surveillance and biometric access. Moving funds out of cold storage requires multiple high-level employees to approve the transaction, a process called multi-signature, or multi-sig. No single person can access the funds alone. When a big withdrawal is needed, several managers must each approve it, and only then does the HSM sign the transaction. The private key never leaves the HSM. This process is slow and deliberate by design, making it nearly impossible for hackers to steal large sums quickly. Every step is a roadblock, giving the exchange time to spot and stop suspicious activity. It's security through teamwork and technology. Imagine your bank password guarded by a bodyguard named Frank. You tell him once, and he never reveals it, only uses it for you. That's what an HSM does for crypto keys. It holds the secret, never shares it, and only uses it when authorized. Even if hackers breach the network, they can't get the key, just like they can't get Frank to spill the password. HSMs are programmed with strict rules about who they listen to and what they'll do. If someone tries to physically steal or tamper with an HSM, it wipes its own memory clean. It's like Frank erasing his memory if someone tries to force the secret out of him. The result? The key is gone before it can be stolen. This is why physical and digital security go hand in hand. HSMs are built to withstand both cyber and physical attacks. That's why they're trusted to guard billions in crypto. It's the ultimate peace of mind. What happens when exchanges skip HSMs? Disaster. In the early days, some stored private keys on internet-connected servers for convenience. Hackers exploited software flaws or tricked employees, found the keys, and drained entire wallets. Once crypto is stolen, it's gone forever. No chargebacks, no undo button. The anonymity of crypto makes recovery nearly impossible. Real exchanges like MeetGox and CoinCheck lost billions this way. Without HSMs, exchanges are vulnerable to bugs, mistakes, and misconfigurations. HSMs add a hardware barrier that software alone can't match. Choosing an exchange without HSMs is like trusting your life savings to a cardboard box. Don't risk it. Why should you care about HSMs and cold storage? Because it's your money at stake. When you use an exchange, you're trusting them to protect your assets. It's like checking if a bank is insured. Security should be your top concern. Don't pick an exchange just for flashy ads or low fees. Look for real security. Do they use HSMs Cold storage, multi-signature approvals, reputable exchanges will tell you. If they're vague about security, that's a red flag. As a customer, your choices push the industry to do better. Demand strong security, and you help make crypto safer for everyone. Crypto gives you more control, but with that comes responsibility. Do your homework, ask tough questions, and make sure your assets are protected by the best vaults in the business. In crypto, the strength of the vault is everything.